I think the trend that surprises leaders the most is how much opportunity already exists with our current customers. Most stores don't need more customers. They need fewer delays inside of the process they have now, so they can take advantage of the customers they have. And once that improves, other metrics start to improve along with it.
We set up about 25 different campaigns within the realm of Customer Connect that is actively soliciting customers throughout the day, every single day, based on, according to our records, your next service is coming up. Please click here if you'd like to schedule an appointment. According to our records, your vehicle has an outstanding recall. Please click here if you'd like to schedule an appointment, et cetera, et cetera.
So what it tells me when we start to see improvements from customer communication, it just shows how important the responsiveness is from the dealership to the customer in the decision-making processes. In many cases, what we see is that the recommendations didn't change. It's just the speed and the clarity of communication and involving the customer as early as we can in the process that made the difference.